What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys the best way that I've found to board up windows. This way here allows you to be able to board up a window 100% tight without having to do any kind of damage to the outside of the frame. So what I mean by that is a lot of people tend to put up the boards and then put some nails through the frames or put some screws, but that actually does some damage to the window, and this is the best way to do it without having any kind of damage to the frame. So I'll show you guys from the outside what I did. So I've just basically used a bit of flooring, 19 to 22 mil yellow tongue. Put that up on the outside. Obviously, it's a little bit heavy, so I couldn't do myself. That's why it's on a little bit of an angle, but at the end of the day, all I wanted to do was just board this up. So this is a vacant property. Somebody's broken the window, as you can tell. So I just had to board this one here up. Now what I did, you simply put the window up against the frame on the outside. Okay, so as you can see here, there's absolutely no light coming in. It's hard up against it. Perfect all the way around that way. No insects, no water, nothing like that can get in. Not even air can get in, so it's nice and tight. And then all I did after that was just simply run 2 bits of timber all the way across the frame. So hard up against the window frames. That way, once again, there's no damage. And all I did was I simply put a hole, 2 holes on top, 2 holes on the bottom. And then I've just ran some long bolts and nuts straight through from the outside in through the timber. And then once I've tightened that on, it's given me that perfect tight seal. So that's nice and solid. There's no way anybody can get through this. The only way to get through this is with a circular saw or chainsaw. So once, like you've seen outside, so the bolts on the outside, they're all rounded heads, the cup heads, I think they're called. Just like that. So by having those on the outside, that means that nobody can actually undo this from the outside. It has to be undone from the inside. So like I said, circular saw or chainsaw is the only way to get in. And if somebody's willing to make that much noise, I'm sure they're going to get in regardless. So I just thought I'd show you guys, this is the absolute best way to board up your windows or even your doors without having to do any kind of damage to your windows or your frames. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. I'm about to pull this down now as I've replaced the window, and that's ready to go back in. As always, guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.